And hey, blessings, fierce butterflies. How y'all doing? I missed y'all so much. Child, I haven't uploaded in a few days, but seems like a month to me because I miss talking to y'all. But listen, I wanted to bring y'all along with me today because I want to introduce y'all to a very special person, the one and only Joe Nagelbush. We have an event coming up on October 12th. I think October 12th, but you'll get the details because we're gonna actually do a walkthrough. Now, although we've had an event there before and we know the ins and outs of it, it's always good to reconnect before you invite others in. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm heading out to pick up my sister, and then we're gonna drive to the location. So come along for the ride, and I'll see you in a bit. Hey, blessings, fierce butterflies. So I told y'all that I was on my way here to meet up with my good friend Joe. And so I wanted to just bring him in so that he can introduce himself, and then we can show you the location where the change project is going to take place. So with that being said, Joe, welcome to the Fierce Butterfly Nation.
Hi, everybody. Thank you, Renee, for the introduction. My name is Joel. I'm a life coach and motivational speaker. I have known Renee for a number of years. She's had a tremendous impact on my life. And this change project, seminar, workshop, experience, whatever you want to call it, is a manifestation of our relationship and desire to impact people.
Yeah.
Renee has had a huge impact on my life, as I know she has yours. And at this seminar, you're going to get tools and resources that you can use right away that'll allow you to learn how to prepare for change and sustain change and learn ways to find purpose in change, ultimately to help you achieve your next level of greatness, which is going to continue to grow, but we need to help you move forward.
Yeah.
And at this seminar, you're going to walk away with what you need to do that. It's on the beach. It's in Hollywood. It's at the Renaissance.
Yeah.
And it's 4 hours long on a Saturday.
Yeah.
You really can't beat that. We're going to buy you lunch. And we're hoping to have a huge impact on the way you see change.
So what time is the seminar going to take place? I think it's
10 o'clock to 2.
Okay.
You want to get here a few minutes early so valet can park your car. We'll cover that. And all you have to do is sit back and relax. You don't have to dress up. I mean, it's supposed to be a nice atmosphere.
Kick back, laid back. That's
right.
how we do it. I love Brother Joel. I told y'all he is just so awesome. And we just vibe real good together. And we wanted to bring this to you all because we have been through some things ourselves. And we have been through the process of change. And we know that when we embrace that change and prepare for that change, that the outcome is so beautiful. And we want to take some time and just share that with you all.
That's right. One of the unique things about how Renee and I deliver our message and our story is through authenticity.
Yes.
Otherwise known as we're as real as it's going to get.
That's it.
As life coaches, as motivational speakers, we don't fluff things. We're here to help change your life, and the only way to do that is to keep it real. So
Keep it real.
You're not going to see things in the seminar that's going to be busy work. You're not
That's
going to just
right.
be wasting time.
That's right.
We're going to have an atmosphere where there's laughter and jokes and seriousness, and you're going to hear about our story. And I can promise you that the one thing that you won't walk away from the seminar with is a feeling that they don't know what they're talking about.
Exactly.
We've earned the stripes needed to have this type of impact.
Oh, yes.
And we're looking forward to doing it.
Oh, yeah. We've actually had a seminar here, was it last year, a couple of years ago, whenever it was, but it was so impactful. I cannot tell you the amount of testimonies we got from that event, and people were asking like, hey, when are y'all going to do another event? But of course, you know, life happens, and you know, we had to step back for a minute, but we have never stepped away from each other, and we have been behind the scenes planning to bring you all something awesome. So you want to make sure that you go over to Eventbrite so that you can get your tickets. It's going to be awesome. I'm actually going to do a walkthrough of the location, and of course at the end we're going to take a quick little walk on the beach. And then these are some of the extra that you can expect from this workshop.
That's right. It's a stress-free day.
Yeah.
You can still do whatever you need to do throughout the day. That's why we scheduled it from 10 to 2.
Yeah.
We want you to be able to enjoy your day. We want you to have time to think about what you're going to do with us, and then have time to digest and chew on the things that we've told you.
Yeah.
That can help enhance the quality of your life. We're not looking to change who you are.
Exactly.
We just sort of want you to be the best you possible.
There you go.
And
so that you can live your best life for real, for real.
That's right. That's right. We're purpose finders.
Yeah.
And that's how we do it.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we look forward to seeing you there. And you can Google the Change Project, go to Eventbrite and look up the Change Project. Look up Joel Nagelbush or Renee Jones.
Yeah.
You'll see the seminar there. I promise you it won't be a waste of time.
Absolutely, absolutely. Now tell them how they can find you on social media so that they can go ahead and follow you.
So Instagram is This Nagelbush, Fostering a Dynamic Impact, also known as FADDY. It's the change management company. You can find our websites, dynamicimpact.co. You can just Google Joel Nagelbush and you see who I am.
Yeah.
You see
But
the
you're
impact
also
we're having.
on YouTube, right?
I am on YouTube. When you Google Fostering a Dynamic Impact, you'll see my YouTube page too, where you can find more videos. You'll get snippets of some of the content and even some of the tools that I'll be teaching you how to use inside the seminar.
Yeah.
Look forward to seeing you.
Yeah, so we're excited about that. Of course, when we post this, we're going to have the link where you can go ahead and click it and register for the event. Again, it's a kickback, laid back type of vibe. We're just here to share with you and to help you to reach your next level of greatness. And we are looking forward for you to joining us. So with that being said, I'm going to walk you around this beautiful location where the event is going to be taking place. I mean, it is the bomb.
It's amazing in just the raw version.
Right?
Yeah.
Raw version. Of course, when you get here, you're going to see that Joel and Renee's brand up and alive. And so let's go ahead and just show them, and then we're going to take a quick walk. I love you, bro.
Yeah,
awesome. Hold on, y'all. Where you at, Joe? You ready, bro?
Come see us at the Change Project.
Yeah.
Saturday afternoon, October 12th, 10 to 2.
Yeah.
It's worth it. We're going
It's
to teach
worth
you
it.
how to reframe the word change,
Yeah.
so you can learn how to find purpose in all the change agents that come into your life. Change isn't here to thumb you down. It's designed to help you find your purpose.
Right.
At the seminar, we're going to teach you how to see those change agents so you can prepare, attain, and sustain the change you need to reach your next level of greatness.
I love it.
Hope you're having a great day.
Yeah. And this is definitely a view that you can look forward to. It's calm, relaxing, it's peaceful. Right outside of the event. I mean, it's going to be great. So you all just need to go ahead and register for this event so that you can enjoy the beauty of nature. My God, this is so relaxing. Y'all need to come out here and experience it. My God.